We all want to feel confident connecting with others, but sometimes striking up a conversation can feel daunting. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some simple tips on how to talk to anyone, anytime, anywhere. Number 1, don't overthink it. We often get stuck in our own heads, obsessing over every little detail, how we look, how we stand, even our laugh. Remember, people are usually more focused on themselves than on you, so relax, take a deep breath, and just be yourself. Number 2, make eye contact. Conversations aren't just about words, they're a full-body experience. When approaching someone, start by facing them and making gentle eye contact. This shows you're present and engaged. Number 3, pay attention to body language and tone. Human connection is about more than just what you say, it's how you say it. Your body language and tone of voice speak volumes. Be mindful of your facial expressions, hand gestures, and posture. Number 4, tone is more important than words. The impression you leave depends less on what you say and more on how you say it. Focus on your delivery. Speak clearly, warmly, and with confidence. Number 5, introduce yourself. Sometimes the simplest opener is the best. A friendly introduction is a natural way to break the ice and invite the other person to respond. Number 6, ask open-ended questions. Steer clear of yes or no questions. Instead, ask open-ended questions that encourage conversation and allow the other person to share their thoughts and experiences. And finally, a few things to avoid in conversation. Stay away from controversial topics like race, religion, and politics, especially when you're just getting to know someone. Don't overshare personal traumas or gossip about others. And most importantly, be present. Avoid zoning out or thinking about your reply before the other person has even finished speaking. Remember, connecting with others is a skill you can develop. With a little practice and these simple tips, you'll be chatting confidently with anyone, anytime, anywhere.